Going today to explore the Indian culture and cuisine, and I'll be taking to Hunar Haat, which is inaugurated today, and hope you'll like it. Let's enjoy. This is the entry point. We are just entering the Haat, and you can see the beautiful decorations around and the different stalls of different art and culture things. And there is a selfie point also, which is named Hunar Haat. Come with me. The stall of Orissa state, and you can see the beautiful things made by the artisans, and I'm really tempted to buy all these bags and the lampshades, and you'll definitely like it. Then there is a state Nagaland with all the beautiful flowers made of tissues and the flower pots, and it's inaugurated today by our Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh. Then you can see the states of Karnataka and the handmade toys of wood, and you'll definitely like it. I'm going to buy lots of things, and I'll definitely show you what I'm going to buy from here. And then there is a stall of West Bengal. So many beautiful things made out of jute. The bags, the dolls, the baskets, the rugs, and all the decorative things for your home decor. And you can see beautiful home decor things made of jute. पेन स्टैंड तो 120 रुपए। ओके, एंड ये कितने का बताया था आपने भैया? 60 रुपए का, 150 रुपए का। ओके, देयर इज मेनी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स आउट देयर। और एक ये बॉटल भी दिखाइएगा सामने, ये क्या है इसका प्राइस? ये हाँ जी,
ये दोनों का 1100 रुपये है।
अच्छा, पेयर में ही मिलेगा?
पेयर में ही मिलेगा।
ओके,
ये ऐसे है, इसके साथ कार है। और
इसका कितना, एक बार दोबारा बता दीजिएगा भैया।
इसका 250 है।
250 का।
क्या? 150 का।
There are toys made out of the wood. This is a beautiful rabbit. ये रैबिट कितने का भैया? रैबिट का क्या प्राइस है?
250 का।
250 मीन्स इसी रेंज का ही है बेसिकली सारी चीजें। Stall of Assam, and you can see many bags and purses. What's the price for these bags?
350, ma'am.
350. Any discount?
On which one, ma'am?
Any of these?
No, ma'am. That hai already discounted, ma'am.
Okay. And these clutch. This is what?
350, ma'am.
Table mats. 350. Okay. And you have table runners also?
That is bamboo.
Okay. For how much?
If you want to buy, अगर आप इंडिविजुअली लेना चाहते हैं तो 400 का पड़ेगा, सेट में 300 का पड़ेगा.
Set includes the table
table
mats.
mats, yes.
Okay. Okay. And this one is for?
मैम ये मीटर के हिसाब से है.
हाँ, I've seen
60
it.
रुपए का मीटर है.
60 रुपए meter. Then it's a bit costly.
मैम
I know, I've seen it in Pragati Madan Trade Fair. They give it at 20 rupees meter. It's a bit costly then. This is a beautiful stall from Moradabad, and you can see all the things made of metal. And a beautiful collection of showpieces, understand, toys that can be used according to the Vastu Shastra. इसका क्या प्राइस है भाई साहब? 800 रुपए का. The diya and the jot stand. और ये इसका भैया 200. कुछ फिक्स प्राइस है, कुछ लेस भी करेंगे? हो जाएगा, हो जाएगा. और ये लैम्प से bottles, water bottles. Beautiful tree for your home decor. And this a beautiful piece of mirror. एक इनका भी बताइएगा भाई साहब, क्या प्राइस है? 350. ओके. ठीक.
पहले बजा के दिया, वो पैसे नहीं दिया. ये वाला ही बताओ.
This is another stall from Pudachari, and you can see the handmade wooden toys and home decor things. These are the games we used to play in childhood. This is for 250. This one is for 150. 150. You said 250 for this? 250. And that pen stand? This is what pen? No, this one.
ये pen stand है.
This one is for
150.
150. How does, like this?
120.
This is like this only, no? We have to.
100.
Okay. Okay. And this is a set of all these camels. सिंगल भी मिल जाएगा. ओके. एंड हाउ मच फॉर दिस? 400. This is a collection of furniture from Uttar Pradesh. Beautiful decorative vases, and this corner table, and then this flower pot stands, the dining table.
चलो चलो भाई आगे चलते चलो, हम लोग तो थम जाते हैं.
can see the different stalls, which is an amalgam of beautiful Indian culture, the clothes, the saris, the shawls, paintings from Gujarat, Varanasi, every nook and corner of the beautiful India, the colorful India, the vibrant India. Again, this is a beautiful stall from Bijnor, Uttar Pradesh. You can see beautiful things, the decorative items, the keychains.
मैडम लकड़ी का तो थोड़ा बहुत निशान है।
Beautiful wall clock. ये वॉल क्लॉक्स किस रेंज की हैं भैया पीछे? हाँ जी, I will recommend you to visit this stall, and this is a beautiful stall for some beautiful things you must have in your collection. The word feeders and keychain holders, and the rates are reasonable too, and you can always bargain a little bit, but I think this is a must-watch stall. There are many stalls from every state to keep your appetite and the mouth buds in control. The delicacies of each and every state, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Kerala, Delhi, West Bengal, the veg and the non-veg options too. And you won't be disappointed. Please do come. Favorite Lipan art and the Uttar Pradesh chain and jute products. You can see if you want to buy suit, sarees, dress materials, you can also buy dupattas. बेसिकली क्या रेंज की है यहाँ पर मिनिमम? अच्छा डिफरेंट है, जैसे ये
450 रुपए की है।
450 ये वाला सारा
ले लो, अगर आपको चाहिए तो डिस्काउंट कर।
हाँ ठीक है, बच्चों की साइज की भी है छोटी। ये डोरमैट किस रेंज के है वैसे?
वो 250 है।
250 का।
अब 24 आवर्स पानी में रखना खराब नहीं, इतना बढ़िया है।
The most interesting thing which I liked at this place was these resting chairs. Keep it in your garden or in your balcony and take a rest. can see the bamboo planters also here for your garden. And then these beautiful plastic. And we will come to colorful Gujarat, bandhani, jackets, bags. Colorful and vibrant Gujarat. The bandhani, the Garba dresses.